Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Taisha. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. So today I am testing out a bunch of new drugstore makeup out from Colourpop. I have the e.l.f. Putty Blush, the new L'Oreal Infallible, just a bunch of new things to test out. So if you guys enjoy seeing what's new at the drugstore, give this video a thumbs up. And without further ado, let's just go ahead and get started. So I'm super excited to use the new Colourpop X RawBeautyKristi palette. You guys, this is like manifestation right here, like an example of that. So I'm just super happy for her and I am so excited to test this palette out. This is what it looks like. I think I'm gonna be doing an olive makeup because of my olive nails. These are press-ons. Every time you guys see me with nails, they're always press-ons. And yeah, I see this color right here, so I'm super excited to do like an olive makeup look. I haven't done that. I don't think I ever done that. So I picked up the palette. I also picked up this Super Shock shadow in the shade Like a Moth. So this is what it looks like right here. It's like a really pretty shimmery gold with green reflex. So I got that, and then I also picked up the 3 liners. You guys, I'm sorry if you guys notice my eyes looking a little bit more different. I have like an eczema flare up right here too. So every time I apply concealer and powder, you can like see it. So I'm sorry if my eyes look a little bit swollen. I'm starting to get it right here too. I don't even know why it's happening. So let me know if you guys have any recommendations. Right now I'm putting my Burilla cream there, and it does, every time I put it on, it does feel a lot better. So I need to be a little bit more gentle with my eyes today. So I'm gonna grab the shade Chanterelle, which is this color right here. It's like a musky color. This palette, it reminds me of a forest. It's super pretty. I actually been to Washington before, but I never been like to the parks. I've been to Seattle, so I need to go back and go to like the foresty area and actually do something there because it looks so pretty. So I'm just gonna go in circular motions and I'm gonna apply that on my crease. We all know Colourpop shadows are really, really nice, and they are affordable and they perform like higher end. So I'm just gonna apply this multiple times until I get the color like the way I want it. So I'm just going in. I dab it in first and then I start blending it out. I'm gonna grab like a little flat brush like this. This is from AOA Studio. It came in like a little set. So I'm gonna grab the beautiful olive color. So this is called Fiddlehead. You guys, I haven't seen such a beautiful olive color. Ooh, yes, that's pretty. So I'm just gonna tap this in, and I'm gonna grab a smaller blending brush. This is the e.l.f. crease brush, and I'm just gonna start blending this upwards. So I'm gonna keep blending, you guys, going back and forth until I feel like I have blended the best that I can. Greens are kind of hard to blend, I'm not even gonna lie, but I really love this makeup look. It kind of looks like army green color. If you are gonna do the look I did, it is gonna take a lot of patience because you do have to pack this in like probably like 10 times to get this look. So, you know, just being honest, other than that, I really love it, but it's probably because it's just like a matte green. So, you know, you have to pack it in, blend it, pack it in, blend it, and all that stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of the Super Shock shadow because I want to see how it will look with this on. So let me grab my little mirror. I'm gonna look down. I'm just gonna pack it in all over the eyelid. Wow, you guys, this is like magical. Wow, it is so pretty. I'm gonna grab my MAC 242 brush just so I can put it here on the inner corner. So I am gonna grab my little blending brush and I'm just gonna go ahead and do it like messily. So I just thought about this, you guys. I'm gonna grab just like a little flat brush. Okay, I cannot find a flat brush, so I'm just gonna take this and I'm gonna mix it in with these 2 colors right here in Emerald City and PNW. I just love this combination, you guys. It got me inspired, you know, by my nails, and then seeing that palette, I was like, it's time to do an olive makeup look. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply mascara. I did pick up this one from Maybelline. It's the Last Sensational Sky High Mascara. It's supposed to be a limitless length full of volume. And it has a flex tower brush. I feel like I am gonna like this one because of the brush. And Maybelline, I love their packaging. It reminds me a lot of the lifter glosses, you know, that really pretty like KKW beauty vibe. That's what it's giving me. So that's what it looks like. It's really, really nice. I love this packaging. So this is the applicator. I really like ones like this more than fluffy. I feel like they do grab all my lashes. So I'm just gonna look down and apply some mascara. I stopped using the Grande Cosmetics lash serum because it was giving me like, I would wake up with my eyes super red. That's what my lashes look like with this mascara. I feel like this mascara is gonna get a little bit better the older it gets, but it did make my lashes look pretty long. Guys, I'm so obsessed with this makeup look. I am so happy. So while we wait for the lashes to get a little bit more tacky, I am gonna go ahead and hydrate my skin. I already went ahead and added eye cream, but I'm just gonna add a little bit more because like I said, you guys, my eyes are just going through it. I'm also gonna apply my NYX Bear With Me Jelly Hydrating Jelly Primer. I did a Target haul. I'm just waiting for it to get approved because it is a sponsored video. So you guys, so expect a Target haul. It's a collaboration with Boohoo. So that should be coming up, I think this Sunday or not next week. I have a lot of videos I need to put up. I just, you know, been going through that, and then my school too. I have so many things to do. So when it gets closer to like the holidays, school just gets 10 times crazier. So you guys see me not posting, you guys know why. So I put my lashes on so I can see how the look is going, and I really, really love the way it turned out, you guys. It's just so, so pretty. So I'm just gonna mix two of my favorite foundations. Of course, the Hard Candy foundation in the shade Honey. So I'm just gonna apply this one first. I never tried this combo, and you guys know I love mixing foundations. So I'm gonna mix this one with the RawBeauty foundation in the shade 290. I still haven't picked up a nude shade. I was going to because you guys told me my shade. So all my foundation twins out there, you guys told me that our shade is 280. So like one shade lighter than this, and I still haven't picked it up. I was gonna pick it up on the sale, but then I saw the price, and then I saw I had this one, so I was like, you know what, I'll just make it work. But you guys, this combo actually looks really pretty, and it also looks very natural. I'm gonna drag it down to my chest before I forget. I do have a new concealer, you guys, from e.l.f. This is the Flawless Brightening Concealer. I love, love, love this color. I actually tried it before once, and I really like the color. This is in medium 32 neutral. So what I noticed I like to do with this is I like to apply concealer first, and then I like to go over this with, you know, I like to go over the concealer with this product. But I'm going to show you guys how it looks like by itself. This reminds me of those YSL pens. You guys remember when everybody used to use that? I like to apply concealer first. By the way, this is the Cover FX Concealer, the Power Play. And this is in the color G Plus Medium 2. I got this on sale from Sephora. So I'm just gonna blend the foundation. Let me grab my little e.l.f. Camel Sponge. I'm gonna blend this concealer. Gives you a really natural coverage, which I love. Honestly, I don't really care. I mean, I don't really need like the full coverage underneath my eye area. So for everyday wear, I feel like this is perfect because it still looks like your skin, but better. So I'm gonna grab my little pen. I'm just gonna apply some here, my nose, and then here on my forehead. This is what everything looks like once it's blended. So I blended everything out, and definitely, you guys, my eyes are super like bad, but the concealer, you see, this is what it looks like when you use it with a concealer and then to brighten up your eyes and then by itself. I feel like they both look really pretty, but I do like to use it with concealer underneath for that extra glam look. So I'm taking my RCMA cream contour palette. I feel like every makeup artist uses this product, which is why I bought it. So I'm gonna be taking these colors right here. I like to mix them in, and then I'm gonna put it here on the forehead, here as well. This just warms up the face. Guys, so I went ahead and blended my cream contour. I really like this palette. If you guys have my skin tone, I feel like it's gonna work really nice for you. It's in the shade Shinto. That's a weird name. But I'm gonna go ahead and set my face. I do have a new powder. This is not like drugstore, but I still wanted to try it out with you guys. It's the One Size Beauty setting powder in the shade Translucent. It's supposed to be a really blurring, mattifying powder. So I'm just gonna grab my little sponge and I'm gonna set my face. It is a finely milled powder. Look at that. I hope he can come out with more colors, because I feel like this in the yellow color, like the honey powder by Laura Mercier, will be really nice. It's definitely really blurring. This is the Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation in a powder. So this is in the color 250 Radiant Tan, I believe. Let me see. This is in the color, yeah, Radiant Sand. So I got this from Amazon. We're about to see if it's good. I really do like the foundation. I think this color matches me. I did order Golden Beige, but that one still hasn't arrived. But I feel like that color is gonna match me way better. This is really blurring out my skin though. Like, this is really nice. So this is the e.l.f. Putty Blush. I have tried this with powder. Be really careful if you have oily skin. So I'm going to show you guys how you can wear it if you do have oily skin. So this is the e.l.f. Putty Blush blushes. And by the way, you guys, it doesn't say the name nowhere near like this. And I already threw away the packaging. But don't worry, I'm going to go through my order history and see the colors I picked up. And I will let you guys know in the description box below. So I did buy 2 shades, and I also did pick up the brushes. That's what it looks like. In case you guys wondered what is the best cream blush for oily skin, I would say the RAWBEAUTY. That one is amazing. It has a really nice cream, I guess, to powder finish, which is why I can use it with a little bit of powder underneath, but not a lot. So I'm gonna show you guys what they look like. They first apply super creamy. The one thing I like is that they're not oily. So that is the shades right there. So this brush is actually a really good brush to use with this product. So I'm gonna apply it, and then I'm gonna stipple it in like this, and then stipple it in on my cheeks. See, when I do that, I notice the blush is gonna last me a lot longer, but it's also gonna work with my oily skin. And then I'm gonna grab my little sponge with a little bit of the pressed powder that we just used. And now I'm gonna set my cheeks. So I'm gonna go ahead and contour my skin super quickly. I don't really need to, but I still wanna give myself more of a bronze effect. So I'm taking the Fenty Beauty in the shade Island Thing. See, that one right there. I'm just gonna put some here on my skin. See, since we already cream contour and we have already blushed, you see how nice everything looks like? Okay, so I contour my nose super quickly, and now we're gonna move on to the eyes. So I'm just gonna take this color. I'm just gonna smoke it underneath my lower lash line. Okay, and then I'm gonna take the shade Fiddlehead once again, and I'm just gonna put that in the lower lash line. For my waterline, I am gonna pick up one of these shades. They're all super creamy, by the way, but I do want the green one, so I'm gonna be taking this one, and it is called Spare Time. So you see, that's what it looks like. They're super creamy. I love the Colourpop liners because they are creamy, so I can do it super fast. I go ahead and apply my little brown lip liner. So I'm taking Matte Cork, and I'm gonna be going in with Milani in the shade Lavish. If you guys remember, this used to be like one of my favorite ones. And then I might or may not apply the gloss, we will see. So I'm just gonna line my lips. Just to add a little bit more dimension, I'm taking the KKW in the shade Birthday Suit. And just like to put it on the middle. Then to set everything, I am going to be taking my Revolution in Tasty Peach. This is a mattifying setting spray. It's going to be my second time trying it, so let's see. Really quickly, I'm gonna give you guys a final, I guess, first impressions. Some things I have tried more than once, like the e.l.f. Putty blushes, and there's something I feel like for me and my makeup style, I wouldn't reach, you know, to them a lot, but I feel like a lot of people are gonna like them because the formula is really nice. They have really pretty colors, and also they're not oily, so I do like that. The best way to do it if you have oily skin is to do it just how I did, because it doesn't remove any foundation, but it also does last all day. So if you're looking for a good oily skin blush, try the RawBeauty cream blushes. Those are amazing. I also really enjoyed all these products right here, you guys. I pretty much really liked everything. I love the Colourpop x RawBeautyKristi, but that's like not even a surprise. We all know she does good products. She comes out with beautiful color selection, and also Colourpop has amazing quality, so you guys already know I'm gonna love that. And then I also really like the L'Oreal Infallible Pressed Powder. I feel like it blurred out the skin. It doesn't make my skin feel heavy. So this is going to be a pressed powder that I feel like you guys are going to like. And I would recommend you guys check them out, because I don't know how to explain it, you guys. It's just like the foundation. It's super lightweight, yet it still gives you coverage, and it's just beautiful. So let me know in the comments below what you guys think of all the new drugstore makeup. Let me know if you guys are going to be picking anything up. But yeah, guys, I'm going to go ahead and go. I cannot believe Thanksgiving is next week. I thought it was in 2 weeks, but turns out it's next week. So I'll try to do a little get ready with me, so hopefully I can film that. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me. I hope you guys are doing well and having a good day or night whenever you're watching this video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.